So hey MilleyRocks, it's Camille coming to you back with another video. Today we are doing a video on how to maintain my natural hair underneath these wigs, y'all. I do not get my hair sewed in. I do make custom units myself. This is actually one of my custom units. It is a closure wig with some Cambodian wavy hair. I've had this wig for about three months. Had this wig for about 3 months. So I was just doing my regular maintenance on it, maintaining my hair underneath. Once y'all see what's underneath this wig, y'all gonna be a little shook. However, I did bring my hair back to life. So I received some products sponsored by Influenster. This is the Carol's Daughter new Goddess Strength and Length system. And this is 4 different products into one. I spoke to you guys about Influencer already. I want you guys to click the link below if you're interested in receiving free products. Who doesn't want free products? So if you want some free products, click the link below, and basically it will give you the steps on what you need to do to receive some free products from high-end brands, low-end brands, middle brands, a bunch of brands. Okay, so I did receive Carol's Daughter a hair system, and inside of this box I received a conditioner, and this is a fortifying conditioner, and it has castor oil, ginger, black cumin seed, and it says with one use your hair will be 15 times stronger. I used these products in the video, and then I received a fortifying shampoo, and it also says with one use 15 times stronger. It has those same ingredients in it, the black castor oil, cumin seed. Also I received a 7-oil hair blend oil, and then I received a leave-in cream. This is the Divine Strength leave-in cream, and it says 94% less breakage. I received 4 different products, and this was all free from Influencer. The only thing that you have to do is review these products. Usually you can do that from the website that you actually can purchase the products from. However, I usually do it on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. So if you guys want free products, don't forget to click the link below. I'm going to use these products in my video, let you know how they made my hair feel, how to use them on your hair. You guys get to see my natural hair, something that I just don't. Okay, I don't want people to see, but you guys get to see it today. So if you guys are interested on how I take off my wig, wash my scalp underneath, and put my wig back on, stay tuned. So I'm just going to show you guys how I remove, and I may show you guys how I also apply the wig onto my head. However, I want to show you guys how I take it off. I do apply this wig every single day. Every morning I wake up, I spray Bed Head Mini Heart. This little hairspray right here allows my wig to stay on very, very tight throughout the day. All I do is I spray across the hairline once, and then I apply pressure onto the wig, and the wig, it does not go anywhere. And I do this because I don't want my wig sliding throughout the day. If the wind blows, I don't want to feel like my wig is going to fly off. Ain't nobody got time for that. So that's why I apply a little bit of this spray. It's like glue, but it's not. And this allows my wig to stay in place. In the back, I do not have this wig sewed down. This wig is removable. I do have an elastic band in the back, so it makes it somewhat secure. However, it is not sewed down. But I want you guys to either get a water bottle. This is just water, that is it. Or you can use isopropyl alcohol, 70% or better, to remove the bed head spray from your hair. Okay, personally, I like to take the alcohol. I'm gonna shake it up, see if I got a little bit left in here. And I'm just gonna spray my hairline to remove this, because right now it is not coming off. And this spray typically lasts for about a day. It's nothing that is, or I'll say a day to 3 days, depending on how you wrap your hair. I don't wrap my hair at night, so it does kind of lift a little bit. But if you was to wrap your hair every night, it will stay for, it could probably even go up to a week. Let's start removing this wig. And I just spray inside of the hair. And be careful, because this is alcohol. And I rub. And I'm scared to kind of show y'all what's underneath here, because I have not taken care of my hair in about 3 weeks. And it shows, okay? And aside from that, I do have dermatitis. So I have really bad dry scalp, okay? So you may see some of that. So as you can see, the wig is completely lifted up, and that was just with alcohol, a quick little spray. I'm going to take off the residue. And yeah, I still have my edges intact. I do have on a little wig cap. Just going to remove the wig. Yeah, so now that I removed the wig, I can show you guys my construction. So I do have an elastic band. That's how it holds down in the back. That's how it looks, and that's the closure. So I attach the lace to my skin, and that's how it stays throughout the day. Time for this wig to be washed and tamed, and it needs a lot of maintenance, and it's also time for my hair to be tamed. So yeah, I'm scared. So this is my hair. It looks completely ridiculous, however, it's life, okay? I have 2 big braids braided straight to the back, and it's really looking like Kuta Kente. But what I'm going to do today, I'm going to use these lovely products from Influenster. So I'm going to use these products, and I am going to get my hair back in shape, okay? This is 3 weeks of non-maintenance being done to my hair. And my hair after it has been combed out. Lord Jesus, y'all, whenever you wait forever to like comb through your hair or wash your hair, you are going to experience some stress to the hair. So this was the amount of hair that I've lost from combing through it with a wide tooth comb. So I'm not going to say this is all damage. I will say this is some damage. However, your hair naturally sheds about 50 to 100 strands a day. So this is about normal for somebody who has not washed their hair in about 3 weeks, okay? So this is just about normal. However, it can be reduced from this ball right here. It should be less hair than that if I was taking care of my hair. This is the fortifying conditioner. I am going to put this on my hair, massage it into my scalp, comb through, and it says keep on for 5 to 7 minutes. So that is what I am going to do. This is my hair texture. I do have, I believe, 4A hair texture. My hair look completely different when it is dry and nappy. It seems more manageable when it's wet. That lets you know that I probably should be adding more moisture to my hair more often. But, you know, it is what it is. I'm using it out that much. And I'm going to rub it in and put inside of my hair. And I'm going to get that scalp. Ooh. Get that scalp, girl. So that's that. And I'm going to let this sit on my hair for about 7 to 10 minutes. And then I'll come back when it's time to wash. My hair has been freshly washed. I did use the shampoo and conditioner. And this is how my hair looks. I'm going to go in with the Divine Strength leave-in cream. And this basically, you want to apply it evenly from roots to tip. And these products basically say after one use, your hair is 15 times stronger, which I definitely need that. I'll take another pump of this. Get it all in the scalp. And this product line is for hair types that is prone to breakage, which is definitely my hair type. Yeah, so I think that's good. And I'm going to go in with the 7-Oil Blend Hair and Scalp Oil. And this is with castor oil and black cumin seed. So I'm just going to go all into my scalp. I'm gonna go ahead and start parting my hair so I can do my two little braids. I thought I was gonna do a natural hairstyle for y'all, but I'm not gonna wear it. I just went ahead and braided my hair to the back. I'm gonna do this side on camera so you guys can see. And this side is slightly thinner than the other side. Okay, so we have the other braid. My braids are not neat. This side is neater than this side. However, it's all good. Don't need to be perfect. But that's what I do. So I just put a little slight beat on. I'm about to apply my wig again. First, I start off with the Style Factor Edge Booster, and I put them edges back. And I just put a little gel, slick them back, just so my hair doesn't get caught up in the hairspray that I'm applying. I just slick everything back. And I do this probably like, I don't slick it often, only when I want it to be really, really crisp. I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig cap on, and this is the brown one. I'm just gonna put it like that. Kind of try to go over my hair a little bit. And I'm gonna go in with the Bed Head Mini Hard Head Hairspray. And I am just going to spray my hair. spray my skin, and I put it on my actual skin. I just kind of like let it go back. Then I go on with another spray on the skin, head back, and I kind of blend it out just a little bit. Now that that has dried up a little bit and got a little bit tacky, I'm going to take my wig, put the elastic band on, flip this hair back, and I just pull the wig forward past the cap where the product is on my skin. And I just press down, y'all. Literally, that's all I do. This hair is applied. It is on there very, very securely. You can see me tugging. I'm gonna let this hair dry. This basically concludes the end of my video. I have my wig on. I feel really, really good. My scalp feels like it's breathing, it's healthy, it's thriving. I really, really needed to do this a long time ago. But hey, I'm a little lazy when it comes to my natural hair. But I hope you guys learned a few little tips on how to maintain your hair underneath wigs. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave them down below. Please hit the subscribe button before you exit this video. Let me know what you want to see on my channel. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.